Why can the same point have different coordinates even when nothing physical has moved through the scene at all? The same physical point can receive different numbers in different frames. The missing word is frame, the measuring grid we chose. Read P equals x comma y as a point with two coordinate readings measured in the current frame. They are not universal for every picture. Coordinates only make sense after you know the axis, origin, frame name, and units. Those choices tell you what positive x and positive y mean in that picture before measuring anything. X measures along the horizontal axis. Project the point onto that axis, then read how far the projection sits from the origin here. Y measures along the vertical axis. Together, X and Y locate the point in this frame. The ordered pair belongs together as one address. A world frame can stay fixed while the robot frame moves with the robot. Its axes travel and turn continuously with the body through every maneuver. The point can stay still while its robot frame coordinates change. That is not motion of the point. It is a new description from a moving ruler attached to the robot. Zod's depth is still another axis in the chosen frame. In a camera view, depth tells how far the point lies from the image plane. 3 readings located in space rather than as flat pixels. X of t means x at time t. The coordinate can change as the robot moves. The parentheses make time the input. Each moment selects one value, so the sequence becomes a continuous motion trace across the full run, not multiplication. Theta t means the angle at time t. Robot joint angles are usually measured in radians. Watching theta change tells the controller how the joint rotates throughout the motion. This traces joint motion. Now the notation has jobs: point, axis, time, angle, and frame labels. Identify each role before calculation. Use the dictionary X, Y, Z, T, theta, frame, world, robot, sensor. Each label suggests a question. Try reading this first. P world, P robot, and X of t. Which labels are frames? Which label means time? Say the role of each before reading the formula. P world and P robot can describe the same point in different frames without moving it. X of t tracks a coordinate over time. Coordinates are not the point itself. They are measurements in a chosen frame. Always name the frame first.